gabi habang tayo'y nagtitipon upang ipagdiwang ang Pasko at magbalik tanaw sa hindi malilimutan taon ng ating pinagdaanan. Nais kong iparating ang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo.
You know what to do now. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Jukebox in the corner taking me for a ride. Into the motion we're exploding out of trouble inside. You wanna roll with
Ngayong taon na to ay ipinagdidiwang natin ang ika-15 taong anibersaryo ng Auto Choice Corporation, Honda Cars, Batangas City.
into the motion we're exploding out of trouble inside. You wanna roll with me? We're gonna feel the beat. Show 'em how to do that thing. You know what to do now. I'm all about it.
Araw-araw, kayo ang nagbibigay inspirasyon, hindi lamang sa ating mga customer, kundi sa isa't isa. Ang inyong malasakit sa serbisyo, ang inyong energy at inyong dedikasyon ang siyang nagpapaalam sa ating tagumpay.
This dealership has been a successful one with 51 employees from 2009 to 92 employees today in 2024.
Tonight the stars are out, so let's make the town. I'm running when I hit the ground, that's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it.
That we have the best employees and extraordinary employees with equally high aspirations and dreams who work hard against all odds that occurred in these 15 years to make possible the impossible.
Tonight the stars are out, so let's make the town. I'm running when I hit the ground, that's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. My heart is pumping and my hips are twisting. Oh, I wanna scream and make everyone listen. All the way to the world, all the way I prefer to be right here where I am. I'm all about it.
As we move into the holiday season, I want to personally thank each and every one of you for your incredible contributions, for living these values day in and day out. You are the reason Honda and Hino Batangas continues to thrive and be extraordinary.
Tonight